About this item: comfortable armless office chair, no armrests, no limits, flexible and space-saving. The chair is suitable for kids and teens, and is also friendly to adults. This low-back small office chair with a foam molded seat can also be a task chair. Besides, this armless office chair has a mesh back for the most comfort. The advanced armless office chair with the ergonomic design will bring you a first-class sitting experience. Sturdy desk chair with wheels, small desk chair with thick foam cushion, durable chair base, sturdy gas lift, and PU silent casters, suitable for hard floors, carpets, and other floorings. All components of this chair are of good quality and come from reliable suppliers. The BIPMA certified sturdy base is tested over 10,000 times to ensure your safety when you sit on our armless desk chair. Such small desk chairs are perfect for small spaces, space-saving yet sturdy. Ergonomic mesh office chair. The armless office chair with a C-shaped backrest fits the curve of your lower back, and reduces unnecessary pressure on the spine, avoiding back pain. The upgraded Y-shaped armless desk chair with lumbar support provides you with enough support. Removable and height adjustable desk chair. The armless office chair with a gas lift allows you to raise and lower your seat to the height you need. The removable seat cushion of the small office desk chair is easy to clean. Armless desk chairs can be adjusted from 15.94 to 20.60.